Hello everyone. Today we start our study with this book, your English grammar book for class 2, and today we are going to start a new chapter from this book, chapter 6, adjective describing word. So student, adjective and describing word, they both meaning are same. Adjective, it tell us you more about the noun. A describing word, they also same. So a long ruler. So look at this picture, a long ruler. Ruler is a noun and long is a adjective word. A short ruler. Short is adjective word of a ruler. Ruler is a noun. Clean hand. Hand is noun, but hands is noun, but clean is a adjective word. It is describing word. An old man. So old is a describing word. A heavy basket. Heavy is a adjective word. A fat cat. A fat is a adjective word. So student, if a word that tell us more about noun, we call it describing word. So describing word who tell us you more about the noun. So this is your exercise 1. Look at the picture carefully and circle the describing word. So a narrow river. River is noun, but narrow is a describing word. An easy sum. Easy is a describing word. A small bus. Small is describing word. So we circle the describing word. And one thing, it is also important that describing word we always use before the noun. Before the noun. River is noun and narrow is a describing word. So we use adjective describing word before the nouns. A difficult sum. Difficult is adjective but sum is noun. Dirty hand. Dirty is adjective and we use this adjective before the noun. A young man. A young is adjective word. So we circle it. A full glass. A full is adjective. A full is adjective and glass is a noun. An empty glass. An empty is adjective. So we circle this word. A thin cat. A thin is adjective. A wide river. A wide is adjective. A light basket. A light is adjective. So adjective means who tell us more about the noun and it always used before the noun. In exercise 2, match the describing word with the correct picture. Like funny, who is funny here? So this Joker. So we match this word from Joker. Bright, bright is sun. Sun is bright, so we match bright with sun. Fast, who is fast here? Fast here, car. So fast, we match this word from car. Colorful, colorful balloon. Black shoes. Slow, tortoise. Tall, giraffe. Round, earth. Earth is round. Sweet, cake, and pretty flower. So this is your exercise 2. This is complete. Now this is exercise 3. In exercise 3, we circle the adjective and underline the noun. So one has been already done for you. Big, big is adjective, so we circle big, and ear is noun, so we underline this word. Yellow, color is also adjective, so we circle this word, and shirt is noun, so we underline this word. Big, adjective, nose, underline. Tall, adjective word, and man is a noun, so we underline this word. Exercise 4, they all are colors, and I already told you that colors is also adjective word, a describing word. That carrot is orange, milk is white, sky is blue sunflower is, yellow coal is, black blood is, red strawberry is, red, lemons are yellow, sugar is white, and trees are green. They all are colors name and they all are describing word. And this is activity. Here is a word building, and we find the adjective word from these letter alphabet. We find the alphabet letter on this word, that like high building, HIGH, high, like this. Ice cream, COLD, cold ice cream. Tiger, wild tiger, WILD, so we write here WILD, wild tiger. Pillow, SOFT, soft, so we write here SOFT, soft pillow. So student, this is your chapter 6, describing word, adjective. It is complete today. And chapter 7 we start in another video, articles. So till that, keep study, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.